Imagine a drone soaring high above the endless expanse of the ocean, a realm where mysteries lurk beneath every wave. The ocean, vast and unexplored, holds secrets we've barely begun to uncover. Now picture this. The drone, on a routine flight, captures something utterly chilling in the heart of the sea. In today's video, we're delving into 8 of the most spine-tingling discoveries made in the depths of the ocean. From baffling underwater formations to enigmatic creatures of the deep, these finds highlight why the ocean is both feared and revered. Get ready to dive into a world of aquatic enigmas and eerie ocean wonders. Number 1. The ocean at night. Picture yourself adrift at sea on a pitch-black night. You're all alone, surrounded by an endless expanse of water that merges seamlessly with the inky darkness of the sky. The lack of any light source accentuates the intensity of this experience, plunging you into a realm where the visible world ends and the unknown begins. This isn't just an ordinary night. It's a journey into one of our deepest, most innate fears, the fear of what's hidden in the depths below. The ocean's tranquility during the day transforms into something more menacing as night falls. You're just a tiny presence in this immense, dark, watery world, miles from the nearest shore. This darkness is more than just a lack of light. It's a profound sensation of vulnerability, making you acutely aware of your insignificance. But the darkness isn't the only source of fear. The ocean's nocturnal life, usually concealed in the abyss, surfaces under the shroud of night. The unseen inhabitants of the deep, some of the strangest and most intimidating creatures on Earth, are potentially just below you. The mere thought of an unknown entity gliding past your leg is enough to cause a shiver of dread. Then, there are the other, more tangible dangers. The chill of the water, the constant threat of drowning, the possibility of encountering sharks or other predators in this unseen world all add to the unease. In the absolute darkness, your senses are on high alert, yet you're more vulnerable than ever. Every ripple and sound in the water is magnified, heightening the tension. Now, with this vivid picture in your mind, ask yourself, has your thalassophobia, the fear of the sea and its mysterious depths, intensified? Number 2, the Ocean Atlas. Nestled off the western shores of New Providence in the Bahamas, there lies a hauntingly beautiful sight deep beneath the waves, the Ocean Atlas. This colossal underwater sculpture, weighing a staggering 66 tons, portrays a young girl bearing the ocean's vastness on her shoulders. Echoing the ancient Greek myth of Atlas, who shouldered the heavens, this sculpture brings mythic wonder to the ocean depths. For those who find the ocean's vastness intimidating, the Ocean Atlas, resting 16 feet below the surface, magnifies this awe-inspiring feeling. But beyond its eerie beauty, it serves a noble purpose. Crafted by artist James DeCaires Taylor, the statue is more than an underwater spectacle. Constructed from pH-neutral materials, it doubles as an artificial reef, playing a pivotal role in nurturing local coral life and biodiversity. This underwater giant has also become a beacon for ecotourism, drawing divers and ocean enthusiasts away from the Bahamas' most frequented dive spots, which have been impacted by over-tourism. In this way, the Ocean Atlas is not only a visual marvel, but also a conservationist's ally, balancing human fascination with the need for marine preservation. It stands as a testament to the potential of art to merge with nature, creating a symbiosis that benefits both the ocean's inhabitants and those who come to admire its depths. Number 3. A vicious catch. Imagine this. Fishermen set out for a typical day at sea, their nets cast wide, expecting the usual haul of fish. But on this particular day, something extraordinary happens, straight out of the pages of ancient folklore. As they reel in their nets, expecting a bountiful catch, they're met with a sight that defies belief and logic. Instead of fish, they find something incredible and inexplicable entangled in their nets. This isn't your everyday sea creature. It appears to be a blend of human and aquatic life, a being reminiscent of the legendary mermaids that have captured human imagination for centuries. Mermaids, as told in tales around the world, are mystical creatures with the upper body of a woman and the tail of a fish. They've been a source of wonder and mystery, sometimes portrayed as benevolent, other times as malevolent beings luring sailors to their doom. Flash forward to a more modern era, specifically a provocative TV broadcast in 2012. This program reignited public interest and debate over the existence of these mythical beings. In the footage, you can see the moment of shock and confusion as the fishermen grapple with their unexpected catch. The creature, resembling a mermaid, thrashes violently, even injuring one of the fishermen in its bid to escape. The incident leaves us with more questions than answers. Was it really a mermaid, a creature of myth and legend caught in their nets? Or was it something else entirely? The truth behind this mysterious being caught by the fishermen remains shrouded in ambiguity and speculation. Number 4. The Great Blue Hole. Nestled off the coast of Belize, there's an astonishing marine spectacle known as the Great Blue Hole. Visible from above, this underwater marvel is a gigantic submarine sinkhole that plunges over 400 feet deep. Its allure isn't just in its size, but also in the unique challenges it presents to divers. Firstly, the sheer depth of the Great Blue Hole makes it a sight for only the most seasoned divers. While a certified diver typically dives up to 130 feet, this sinkhole goes much deeper, presenting real hazards. The mesmerizingly clear waters of the Blue Hole, while beautiful, can be deceptive. Divers often find it tricky to estimate distances in such clarity, which can lead to disorientation or, worse, nitrogen narcosis, a dangerous condition caused by deep diving. Additionally, the waters are home to a variety of sharks, including the formidable bull shark, the graceful Caribbean reef shark, and the iconic hammerhead shark. Although shark encounters are uncommon, their presence in this deep, mysterious setting adds an extra thrill and caution to the experience. The Great Blue Hole is not just a dive site, it's a test of skill and nerve. This hauntingly deep blue abyss has witnessed its share of tragedies, making it one of the most intriguing and daunting dive locations in the world's oceans. With its stunning beauty comes a reminder of the respect and preparation needed to explore such a remarkable natural wonder. Number 5. Drone saves 2 swimmers. On a seemingly typical day along the Australian coast, a drone operator set out to capture the stunning seaside views. However, the day took an unexpected turn when the drone became a lifesaver in a dramatic ocean rescue. This incident unfolded at the beginning of 2018 on the sun-drenched beaches of New South Wales, where 2 swimmers found themselves at the mercy of a treacherous riptide, being helplessly dragged away from the shore. In this critical moment, technology leapt into action. The drone, equipped with a life-saving flotation device, flew to the rescue. Demonstrating remarkable speed and precision, it dropped the flotation pod precisely where the swimmers desperately needed it. Clinging to this lifeline, the swimmers managed to stay afloat, which was crucial in the minutes it took for the lifeguards to reach them. This event highlighted the incredible potential of drones in emergency situations. Traditional rescue efforts, where every minute is a race against time, often can't match the rapid response that a drone offers. Here, technology and human expertise worked in perfect harmony, showcasing a new era in beach safety and ocean rescue. The incident also raises important discussions about the need for effective drone regulation, ensuring these devices are used responsibly and beneficially. This story is a testament to the power of technological innovation in saving lives, demonstrating that sometimes the most efficient help can come from the skies. Number 6. Underwater circles. In the realm of nature's wonders, we've long been fascinated by the enigma of crop circles, those sprawling, complex geometric designs mysteriously etched into vast fields, seemingly overnight. For years, their sudden appearance fueled wild speculations about extraterrestrial creators. But hold on, what if I told you that this phenomenon isn't just limited to terrestrial fields? Deep beneath the ocean's surface, a similar spectacle unfolds, presenting an equally mystifying puzzle. Imagine, nestled in the ocean's depths, intricate patterns that seem too precise, too deliberate to be a mere quirk of nature. This underwater mystery has stirred the imagination, sparking sensational theories about otherworldly beings marking their territory in our seas. The scientific community and enthusiasts alike were captivated, debating the existence of alien life in the ocean's unseen realms. But as our understanding of marine life evolved, the truth about these underwater formations emerged, proving to be less otherworldly, yet no less astonishing. The architects of these underwater crop circles are, in fact, pufferfish, a species we're already familiar with. These diligent creatures create mesmerizing sand sculptures, not for cryptic messages or alien communication, but as a courtship display, a love letter to potential mates. With tireless dedication, pufferfish use their fins to intricately shape the ocean floor, creating these elaborate patterns. It's a testament to nature's ingenuity, where even the most mundane of motives can lead to creations of profound beauty and complexity. Number 7, Ice Finger of Death. Beneath the icy expanses of Antarctica, there's a chilling and fascinating natural phenomenon known as brinicles, or ice fingers of death. These striking formations, visible in the video we're discussing, represent a beautiful yet perilous aspect of the polar seas. Brinicles are born when highly concentrated brine, which is expelled from forming sea ice, sinks into the ocean. This brine is much saltier and colder than the surrounding water. As it descends, the brine's extreme salinity and coldness cause the water around it to freeze, forming a downward-growing tube of ice. These brinicles resemble icy fingers reaching towards the sea floor. What makes brinicles particularly intriguing is their lethal effect on sea life. As these icy structures touch the ocean floor, they create a web of frost that can encapsulate and freeze anything in their path, including the seabed and marine creatures unfortunate enough to be caught in their advance. Fortunately, this phenomenon poses a threat only to oceanic life. The idea of brinicles freezing a person is purely speculative and far from our current reality. Yet this natural occurrence underlines the ocean's mystery and the hidden dangers lurking beneath its serene surface. The ocean, with its unfathomable depths, continues to be a source of awe, offering a blend of beauty and peril in equal measure. Number 8. Bizarre holes. During a recent deep-sea exploration, the Ridge 2022 expedition team came across a peculiar and somewhat unnerving discovery: neatly arranged linear holes on the ocean floor, found at depths ranging from 4,700 to over 8,300 feet. These formations sparked a whirlwind of theories and questions. How could such precise, deliberate-looking holes exist at such inaccessible depths? Surely they couldn't be the work of an ordinary person, and they were too methodical to be a natural occurrence. As the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration brought this discovery to light, the public's imagination ran wild. Alien activity? Unusual crab species? Or perhaps gas seeping up from the Earth's depths? The scientific community was equally captivated, diving into various hypotheses. Some scientists suggested the raised sediment around the holes might indicate an excavation by a sediment-dwelling organism, or the feeding activity of a large sea creature. Others even entertained the notion of extraterrestrial involvement. However, as intriguing as the prospect of otherworldly creators might be, it's just as likely that these holes have a more down-to-earth explanation. For now, these mysterious seabed formations remain a puzzle, a reminder of the ocean's vast unexplored territories and the potential discoveries lurking in its depths. As investigations continue, we're left to wonder, what secrets do these enigmatic holes hold?